Hello user, welcome to my channel Learning with Khatak. This time we want to present a program to show the relationship between the structure and a pointer. That if you want to if you want to create a pointer variable inside the structure or a pointer variable for the structure, then how we will create a pointer variable for the structure. So this is again a simple structures. This time I want to store the student information inside the structures member, that is integer, roll number, and then marks. In the main functions, I would like to create the two data members, the two variables. That is, one is of type simply s2, is a normal variable of a student structure, and sptr is a pointer variable of type student, where student is the name of my structure. So as we know that we can only assign an address of another variable to the pointer variable. So in this case also, if you look at this, I'm going to assign the address of s2 to the pointer variable. Now and then we want to enter some values from the keyboard, that is enter roll number and then cn ptr dot roll number and then marks static ptr dot marks. As we know that whenever we are going to use the pointer variable, we will have to use a content of operator with the pointer. So later on we will see that if we don't use the static operator, the content of operator, then how we will use a pointer variable. So another thing is, now we just want to display these information, displaying information, that is student info, and then again content of operator ptr dot roll number and then ptr dot marks. If I run this program, simply look at this, enter roll number, I have entered a roll number, and then marks, let's suppose 50.5. so displaying information student info 33, roll numbers, and 55.5 is the marks. So one thing I just want to show you, that I don't want to use the content of operator. Then I'm going to change my program, that is sptr, and then this time this operator, and then roll number. So if I run this program, similarly I want to comment this also, and then cn and sptr and then marks. So if you look at this, there will be no error. In the same way, I'm going to copy this, and here I'm writing this like that, and then sptr like this. So this is another way to access the content through the pointer variable. We can also use the dot operator, but whenever we are going to use a pointer, it is a good programming to use the pointer operator to access the data member. So if I run this program, look at this, again roll numbers, I enter some dummy values. So student info 22, roll numbers 5 6 marks. So this is a very simple way to create a pointer variable of type structure. You are familiar with a pointer variable, like I'm going to create a pointer variable of integer type, and then I can assign, let this as a variable, and then ptr is equal to and z. So normally we are assigning address of variable to a pointer variable, but here in this case we can assign this sptr is a pointer variable of type student, so we can only assign the address of a student type of variable to the sptr. So thank you very much. So wait for the next interesting lecture. Thank you very much.